In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the differences between EveryDollar Premium and its free version, helping you decide which option is better suited for your budgeting needs. To kick things off, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to EveryDollar's website. Once there, log into your account to access your budgeting options. You'll find a user-friendly interface that's designed to make personal finance management straightforward. After logging in, a good starting point is to click on the settings, located conveniently in the bottom left corner of the menu. This will give you access to the full range of customization options available on the platform, regardless of whether you're using the free version or considering making a jump to premium. Now, when comparing the two, it's important to note that EveryDollar's free version gives users the ability to create their own budget categories, manually track their expenses, and even set basic budget reminders. All of this can be done both on your desktop and mobile device without any cost. It's perfect for people who enjoy a hands-on approach to budgeting, entering transactions themselves, and taking active control of their financial plans. Where the premium version shines is in its additional features designed to automate and enhance your budgeting process. This version allows for linking your bank account for automatic transaction imports, a real time saver for those not wanting to manually keep a record of every penny. With options like paycheck planning and sinking fund balance tracking, premium users can gain deeper insights into their long-term financial goals. If you find value in detailed financial reports, spending insights, and the convenience of CSV exports for further analysis, EveryDollar Premium is a game changer. Additionally, it offers direct access to live financial coaching, a great support for serious budgeters. At around $79.99 per year, or roughly $8 a month, these advanced tools and insights might be well worth the investment for users looking for more complete financial oversight. For beginners or those preferring to track every entry themselves, the free version remains a fantastic choice. It's particularly ideal if you're just starting on financial journeys like Dave Ramsey's Baby Steps. It's free, straightforward, and encourages a hands-on budgeting style. However, keep in mind it lacks automated reports or advanced features, relying heavily on personal maintenance. If automation, saving time, and gaining advanced financial insights are priorities for you, Premium is likely your best fit. It caters well to individuals with multiple income sources, complex budgets, or those requiring detailed analysis of spending trends and sinking funds. Ultimately, choosing between EveryDollar free and premium boils down to your personal and financial goals. You might even consider starting with the free version to establish your budgeting habits before transitioning to premium for added features as your requirements evolve. Whatever your choice, each plan offers robust tools to help you take control of your financial future.